Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about some important information about cryptocurrency that it's very essential for you to find out before investing in any type of coin. Just to give you a brief introduction about myself, I'm Sabaz and I am a crypto trader, and I have been trading cryptocurrencies for the last 5 years. I also started with mining the cryptocurrency, where I started mining in year 2016. As you know, the best place to find information about every cryptocurrency is CoinMarketCap. As you can see on the browser here, coinmarketcap.com. And before you start investing in any coin, there are a few things that I'm going to share with you that's going to help you decide whether you should go with that particular coin or not. And these information are very, very important. So, number one, before deciding to go and invest in a coin, is to find out the maximum supply of the coin. This is very important because the higher the maximum supply or the available supply, the less price it should be. Okay, so don't just buy a coin based on the price of the coin. Say if the coin is less than a cent, or you can buy thousands of the coin in 1 cent, it doesn't mean that coin can go as high as other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, because it's all down to the current supply and the maximum supply of that coin. So how you can find out this, so number one is finding out the supply of the coin. It's by going to, let's look for a coin that's in trending. It's called Shiba Inu. Okay, so if you click on that coin, this is an example. As you may know, that Shiba coin has been skyrocketing the price for the last few months, and it has been one of the coins that has actually gone up significantly by about 1,000,000%. So when you go on the coin, you go to CoinMarketCap, and this is where you're going to search for the coin. Go to the search bar and find the coin that you actually want to invest in, and then on the overview here you can find out the supply of the coin. Here you can see the total supply of this coin is 1 quadrillion. You can see it here, okay, and the circulation supply is 394 billion or trillion. I'm not too sure, to be honest, but anyway, it's a big number. But let's do something. Let's actually read the number. This number, let's check. It's 394 trillion and 796 billion. So that's 394 trillion that's in supply, in circulation. So the number is so big. And if we take the total supply of the coin, okay, you can see it's 1 quadrillion. Okay. That's one thing to look at. So the higher the circulation supply, the less the price should be, because it's just got so much supply, and no matter how high is the demand, that coin is unlikely to get anything close to a cent. Okay, so if anybody tells you if that coin goes to 1 cent, then that's going to be impossible, because if we double this number, okay, if we multiply this number by 1 cent, which is 0.01, then the market cap of this coin will have to be 10 trillions. 10 trillions dollars. So if the price, for the price of Shiba Inu to go to 1 cent, then the market cap of this coin will have to go to $1 trillion US, which is impossible, because if you look at 1 trillion, it's like the market cap of the entire global economy, okay, or even maybe higher. That's number one to look at. So market cap, sorry, the total supply. So I mean, I know that Shiba Inu has gone up significantly. It went from 0.801 or 901 at the time, but it's now 0.402. But if you look at the ROI, it's going to buy 1.7 million%. So $100 investment in Shiba at the beginning would have been $1.7 million now. Okay, so I'm just giving you Shiba as an example. Okay, so number one to look at is the supply of the coin. Number two, we're going to go to see where this coin is actually built, whether it's a token. If it's a token, it could be built on the Ethereum blockchain, or it could be built on the Binance blockchain or somewhere else. But most of them are built either on Ethereum or Binance chain. Now this one in particular is built on Ethereum. So what you're going to go to is where the contract says contract, and you click here, and a new window will open. Now this is very, very important to look at, okay? And what you need to look at here is the number of holders of this coin. Here, holders. This is very important because the more people hold this coin, the more credibility the coin will have. So at the moment, Shiba Inu token has 715,000 holders, which means it's not bad, but compared to a coin like Bitcoin, which has around 100 million holders, it's still very low. It's not even 1% of Bitcoin. So this is what you need to look at. Holders. So that means the total holders, or the total wallets that have been created to hold Shiba Inu, is about 715,000 holders. And number three to look at is, click on the holders here, and you need to know the percentage of the highest amount each holder has. Okay, now this is very, very important, because if we have too many people with a high percentage of the coin, that means we are actually looking at a very risky coin, because if these account holders are to decide to sell the coins, then the price can go down dramatically. So when we look at the Shiba Inu, we can see that there is a wallet that has 41% of the coins, but the good thing is this wallet is actually a dead wallet. Okay, what that means, it means the coins have been banned. So 41% of the total supply of Shiba Inu has been banned, which means they will never come back to the blockchain. They have been sent to a dead wallet. This is the wallet address. You see, that's the dead wallet address that was sent to the founder of Ethereum. That's another story to talk about, but let's just focus on the holders. So at the moment, you can see Shiba Inu holders. You've got 41%, which has been sent to a dead wallet, and then below that, you've got one wallet with 7%, and then you have 5%, and then you have another exchange, which is Crypto.com, which has about 4%. So looking at this wallet, it doesn't look bad, because you don't have too many whales in this particular coin, because the highest amount of holders are not even individuals. They are more likely to be exchanges like Crypto.com, Binance, Huobi, Gate, OKX, Binance US, Bitmart. So these exchanges like Polonix, these exchanges are actually having the coins in their wallet, holding it for other people. The highest percentage of the coins are in this wallet, okay, and then followed by Shiba Inu token. That could be the founders or the developers of the coin. And then based on all of these, sorry, one more thing that I forgot to mention, number 4 to look at is the amount of exchanges or the amount of, let's say, markets that actually listed the particular coin so people can trade in between, okay, with other pairs like other cryptocurrencies or stable coins. Looking at this one, you can see that Shiba Inu has been listed in more than 100 exchanges. As you can see, I'm scrolling down. There are 192 exchanges that have actually listed Shiba Inu. So these 4 important informations are really crucial for anyone to decide whether to invest in a coin or not. So number 1 would be the maximum supply and the total supply. Number 2 would be the number of holders of that particular coin. Number 3 would be to check the highest percentage of each account holder. If it is too many of high account holders are there, then that means it's likely that it could, it could actually drop. But that's not always the case. But it could happen, because if someone has a high percentage, or a few people have a high percentage of the coin, then that coin could come to the market, and then the market could crash. I'm talking about the market of that particular coin. So that's number 3. And number 4 is the amount of exchanges that have actually listed the coin. These 4 factors are really, really important, and they can have a significant impact on the credibility of the coin and on the price of the coin. I'm going to be creating more videos similar to this about cryptocurrency, and I am intending to have videos about the stock market as well. This is where I find my expertise. But if you like the video, please let me know. If you disagree on my opinions, you can always leave a comment there. And if you have any questions, you can leave a comment on my YouTube channel. I'll be posting this video on my YouTube and on my Facebook channel. They're both under the name of Serbaz Hassan. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope this video has actually helped you to make a better decision about your crypto investment. At the end of the video, I do want to say that this is only my opinion. It should not be used for your financial decisions. Thank you.